So, why do we produce raw milk here at Hill Farm? Well, why on earth wouldn't we? It really is one of the best sources of highly bioavailable vitamins, minerals, fats, proteins with a full amino acid profile, enzymes, highly beneficial to digestion, probiotics, all of which are really easily absorbed by the human body. And a lot of these things can be denatured in the pasteurisation process and not absorbed quite as well. And it's also important to remember, a lot of people think they're lactose intolerant, but they're actually missing the lactase enzyme, which comes from, hello girl, this is Ina, the lactase enzyme which is present in raw milk. Lactase enzyme digests the lactose. It's produced by the beneficial bacteria in the raw milk. You pasteurise the milk, that's no longer there, and that's just one of the processes that doesn't work as optimally in pasteurised milk. It really is a completely different product. So that's why we produce raw milk. We've got lots of people who can tolerate our milk and they can't tolerate other milks or supermarket milks or pasteurised milks. The fact our cows are A2 also helps in the digestion. Another question we get asked is, what about the safety of raw milk? Is it safe to drink? Well, raw milk is very highly regulated in this country, and anyone who's got a raw milk licence in this country is very heavily inspected by the Food Standards Agency and required to keep regular testing for hygiene and for pathogens, as well as lots of record keeping, and of course the FSA take regular tests and inspections on us as well. So of course that's a responsibility we take very seriously, but it's also important to remember that there is a small element of risk with any raw product, including fruits and vegetables. It's raw milk cleanly produced is a safe product, and it's highly beneficial for all sorts of health. And you know, in our family, very young people, very old people all consume the raw milk, and we feel it's really beneficial for everybody's health, and likewise our customers, you know. So it's a responsibility we take very seriously. And hello, this is Ina. This is actually, she's a twin sister to the other Ina that just popped her head round. Anyway, that's why we produce raw milk. There's a lot more detail we could go into, I'm sure, but just that's 2.5 minutes already, so that's long enough for Instagram. Bye for now.